Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Stories. We create simple and fun listening stories for beginners. If you want to improve your English, this is the right place for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We work hard to make these stories, and your support helps us a lot. Now, let's begin. The surprise birthday party that went wrong. Emma is a kind and cheerful girl. She has many friends. Her best friend is Lily. Emma and Lily do everything together. They go to the park, they study at the library, and they talk on the phone every day. Lily's birthday is coming soon. Emma wants to do something special. She thinks, I will plan a surprise party for Lily. She calls their friends. Let's make a big party for Lily, she says. Everyone is excited. They plan the party at Emma's house. Emma's mother helps with the food. Emma buys balloons and decorations. Their friend Tom brings a big cake. Everything is ready. On the day of the party, everyone hides in the living room. They turn off the lights. Lily is coming soon. When she opens the door, everyone will shout, "Surprise!" But something goes wrong. Lily does not arrive at the party. She is very late. Emma calls Lily. "Where are you?" she asks. Lily says, "I am at home. I feel very tired. I think I am sick." Emma feels sad. Everyone is waiting. The food is ready. The cake is big and beautiful. But the birthday girl is not here. Emma has an idea. She tells everyone, "Let's take the party to Lily's house." They pack the food. They carry the cake. They take the balloons. Then they go to Lily's house. Lily opens the door. She is surprised. "Oh, what is this?" she says. Emma says, "This is your surprise birthday party." Lily smiles. She is happy. Everyone sings happy birthday. Lily eats cake. She opens presents. She forgets about being sick. The party is different, but it is still fun. Emma and her friends learn something important. It is not about the place. It is about being together. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please press the like button, leave a comment,